Is your Mazda 6 key fob not working? You likely need to reset or resync it. This involves reprogramming the vehicle's immobilizer system to recognize the fob. First, replace the CR2032 battery, as a low battery is the most common cause. Then, follow the basic resync steps for 2014-2019 models. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press the unlock button on the fob 5 times within 10 seconds. Finally, cycle the ignition off and then on again to complete the process. This procedure applies to Mazda 6 models primarily from 2014-2019. Newer models 2020 Plus may have simplified resync options via the MZD Connect infotainment system or smartphone apps. If this basic method doesn't work, you may need advanced relearning. If the basic resync fails, you have a couple of options. Visit a dealership for full ECU reprogramming or try using an OBD2 scanner for advanced relearning. Be aware that improper resyncs can void warranties, so professional help is recommended for complex issues. A key trend in newer Mazda 6 models is the introduction of the Mazda Digital Key, which allows fobless access via smartphone apps like Apple Wallet or Google Pay in 2025 models, but physical fobs remain standard. For continued issues, check for interference from aftermarket accessories. Also, be aware that extreme weather like heat causing battery corrosion can contribute to fob failure. While DIY Resync is reliable for basic problems with an 85% success rate following official steps, always consult your Mazda 6's official manual for model-specific instructions to avoid triggering anti-theft modes. Keep in mind that Mazda is working on AI-assisted diagnostics in cars to automate the resync process.